Today's word also have a couple of meanings. Let's take a look at this. What's the word and what are the meanings? In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have the word called DARIXMAQ. DARIXMAQ. DARIXMAQ is to miss, to long for, or to be bored. Let's see how. To miss you, to long for home, to be bored in spare time, or in any time when you feel boredom, that's what. Now, Sənin üçün darıxmaq. Sen is you, sənin üçün for you, literal translation. But technically means to miss you. Sənin üçün darıxmaq. To miss him, to miss her, to miss them. So, onlar üçün, sənin üçün, onun üçün. You can use it in both cases. In this case, ev üçün, so you've been away from home, you're longing for it, you can use the word darıxmaq here as well. Ev is the house, home. Boş vaxt is spare time, darıxmaq. What you do for spare time, how you use this word, it's the best translation, to be bored. Boş vaxtda darıxmaq. When you feel bored, you've got nothing to do, that's when you say darıxdım. Because remember, darıxmaq is infinitive form. You want to use it in past tense, and saying that I did the action, darıxdım is the one. Now, sentences. Uzaqda olduğun her gün sənin üçün darıxmaq hissi içimdə elə böyüyürdü ki, işə fokuslanmaq belə çətinləşirdi. Let's see. Every day you were away, the feeling of missing you grew inside me so much that even focusing on work became difficult. Some stuff. Anyways, uzaqda olduğun her gün. Every day, her gün, you were away, uzaqda olduğun. Sənin üçün darıxmaq hissi. Hiss is the feeling of missing you. Sənin üçün darıxmaq. İçimdə, inside me, elə böyüyürdü ki, grew so much, basically, you're trying to say. That. İşə fokuslanmaq, focusing on work, focus, as you see, long word, fokuslanmaq, to focus. İş, work. İşə fokuslanmaq, to focus on work. Çətinləşirdi, became difficult. Belə over there means even that, basically. Cool beans? Next one. Uzun səfərdən sonra ev üçün darıxmaq o qədər güclü oldu ki, qayıdan kimi hamını görməyi belə təxirə saldım. Let's see. After a long trip, longing for home was so strong that I even postponed seeing everyone as soon as I returned. Trip, səfər, uzun, long. Səfərdən sonra, after a long trip. Uzun səfərdən sonra, after a long trip, ev üçün darıxmaq, longing for home, o qədər güclü oldu ki, was so strong, o qədər, so strong. That much, basically. O kadar technically means that much. That I even postponed, təxirə saldım, even belə. Now, təxirə saldım what? Postponed what? Hamını görməyi, seeing everyone. Qayıdan kimi, as soon as I return. Or bitirən kimi, as soon as I finish. Gələn kimi, as soon as I come. That's the use case you can use. Cool beans? Now, we got our word and regular straightforward use cases for word darıxmaq through phrase and sentences. Yeah, I also have that joke use for you. I didn't know I could darıxmaq for my lunch break after just one meeting. That happens. To support you in your Master Azerbaijani journey, I have built exactly the same named app available in Google Store and App Store. Feel free to download and continue your journey there, as the module 1 there is foundational module, which is being given away for free, alongside with the vocabulary that all the modules there have, and future modules included. I also have masterazerbaijani.com website built for you, where I've been posting since November 2025 blogs on multiple topics that will help you in terms of language, grammar, history, cultural aspects of things. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, we're starting next week with brand new words. We'll be learning some color names that you don't get to hear maybe so often, or you do. Some yes, some not. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.